Thadou leader Lamjathang asserted that Indian administration's proxy war in Manipur is now very self-evident. Speaking during the Manipur Kanma Khongchet mega rally held today, led by Kokomi, which was attended by thousands of people, Lamjathang stressed that strong unity among indigenous communities is needed first in order to save Manipur. He called for a functional imposition of NRC to segregate illegal immigrants from Myanmar and Bangladesh in order to safeguard the interest of indigenous people. Criticizing the Indian government, he called out against the purported protection given to armed migrants who are demanding separation from the state and those funded by narcotics, money and power. Calling for unity and understanding among hill and valley, he said that it is crucial to identify the real enemy of Manipur who attempt to destroy the integrity of the state.
Manipur praja mayamna Thadou ku kinate haina accept to biduna Thadou se yelhomi ni haina accept to biduna Imphal da Thadou la kansida abiba se Thadou MP Manipur gi maikei da taramna harauba phongdok chari chingda chinku ki narco terrorist kambu na hostage da thamiba Thadou ichin naw sing halakna nabagi damak se da khoi punba mathau tai Manipur kanbada Thadou adum kangani adugi maramduna ekhoi pulap da chatmin na daba yade